Good morning, class 7th. Today we will start with the new chapter, that is rational number. As we previously covered three chapters, chapter 1 is integers, chapter 2nd is fractions, and chapter 3rd is decimals. Hope all of you have understood those chapters. So moving on forward, today I have started with rational number. So starting with the definition of rational number, it states that the number in the form of a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0, or called as rational number. So how will you identify a rational number? A rational number is in the form of a by b, where a is the numerator and b is the denominator. For example, here 5 by 8. Here 5 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. So denominator should not be equal to 0. So here also check minus 3 upon 14. Minus 3 upon 14 is in a upon b form. Yes, it is in a upon b form. And also check the denominator is not equal to 0. Yes, it is not equal to 0 because it is 14. So minus 3 upon 14 is rational number. So moving on forward, 7 upon minus 15. Check whether numerator here is 7 and denominator is minus 15. So both numerator as well as denominator are integers and denominator is not equal to 0. So it is a rational number. And similarly minus 6 upon minus 11. Here both numerator and denominator are integers and the denominator is not equal to 0. So it is also a rational number. So based upon this, a rational number can be classified into two types. One is positive rational number and another is negative rational number. So first we will define what is positive rational number. In positive rational number, both numerator as well as denominator are either both positive or both negative. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या होगा, या तो दोनों न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही पॉजिटिव होंगे या फिर दोनों ही नेगेटिव होंगे. सिमिलरली इन नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर यहाँ पे क्या होगा, इफ इट्स न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर आर ऑफ अपोजिट साइंस. तो नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर कौन से होंगे? आर दोज रैशनल नंबर इन विच आइदर ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर, या तो न्यूमरेटर नेगेटिव होगा और डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव होगा, या फिर न्यूमरेटर पॉजिटिव होगा या तो डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव होगा. दैट मीन्स बोथ will be of opposite sign. Okay, clear? Now moving on the properties of rational number. Here property number first states that if a by b is a rational number and m is a non-zero integer, then a upon b should be equal to a into m upon b into m. ये प्रॉपर्टी ये कहती है कि अगर किसी रैशनल नंबर को सेम इंटीजर से बोथ न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो वो रैशनल नंबर अपनी ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में ही रहेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे माइनस 3/4 को हमने एक रैशनल नंबर लिया है, इसको न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया? 2 से. तो वी विल गेट व्हाट रिजल्ट? माइनस 6 अपॉन 8. सिमिलरली न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया? 3 से. 3 3 9 एंड 4 3 12. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया? 4 से. तो ये सिग्निफाई कर रहा है कि अगर किसी भी रैशनल नंबर को न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं सेम इंटीजर से, देन इट विल गिव सेम रैशनल नंबर. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज रैशनल नंबर आर इक्विवेलेंट because the resulting rational number in all the case is same. If we try to cancel out these 2 and 2 from both numerator and denominator, then we will get original rational number. So next property states that if a by b is a rational number, if a by b is a rational number and m is a common divisor of a and b, then अगर कोई रैशनल नंबर है, दिस इज माइनस 30 अपॉन 40 हमने एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे लिया है. अगर बोथ न्यूमरेटर एज वेल एज डिनोमिनेटर को हमने किससे डिवाइड किया है? सेम नॉन ज़ीरो इंटीजर से डिवाइड किया है, then we will get the original rational number. Okay, here we have converted this rational number into simplest form. Next is the property number 3. अगर let a by b and c by d be the two rational number. अगर a by b और c by d दो रैशनल नंबर हैं तो पहले वाले रैशनल नंबर के न्यूमरेटर को अगर दूसरे वाले रैशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा दैट शुड बी कम्स इक्वल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ b and c. That means if here we have taken 2 by 3 and 4 by 6, both these rational number are equivalent rational numbers. Okay, then what we have done, we have multiplied 2 by 6 and the result is 12, and next we have multiplied 3 by 4 and the result is 12. Again, in case of equivalent rational number, if we multiply their cross products, then the result will be same. Okay, next, how to convert a given rational number in standard form. Standard form means simplest form. Here 4 by minus 6 is the rational number. In order to convert it into standard form, we have to divide it by the number. We have to convert this into simplest form by dividing the, here 4 can be cancelled out by 2 and 6 can be cancelled out by 2 also. Then 2 2 are 4 and 2 3 are 6. 2 by 3 is the minus 3 is the simplest form of this rational number. Next is comparison of rational number. As we know that the rational number which are positive lie on the right side of number line, and those which are negative lie on the left side of number line. So in order to compare two rational number, here I have considered one example, minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 6. Here we have considered, for example, here 3 by minus 4 is the first rational number. First we have made positive denominator. So in order to make positive denominator, we have multiplied both numerator and denominator by minus 1. We get minus 3 by 4. Similarly, minus 5 by 6, it is already having positive denominator, so we will leave it. Then we will find the LCM of denominator. Next step में क्या करना है, 4 और 6 जो डिनोमिनेटर है इनका LCM फाइंड आउट करना है. तो LCM कितना आ गया 4 और 6 का 12. अब इसके बाद क्या करना है, इन दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर को 12 बनाना है. तो 12 बनाने के लिए हमने ऊपर और नीचे किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 से. ओके, तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कितना आ गया, माइनस 3 इंटू 3 दैट इज 9 एंड 4 इंटू 3 दैट इज 12. नेक्स्ट जो माइनस 5 बाई 6 है, इसको भी नीचे डिनोमिनेटर को 12 बनाने के लिए ऊपर नीचे किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, 2 से. देन वी विल गेट माइनस 10 अपॉन 12. अब यहाँ पे माइनस 9 और माइनस 10 बोथ आर हैविंग सेम डिनोमिनेटर. माइनस 9 और माइनस 10 में से कौन बड़ा है, माइनस 9 इज ग्रेटर देन माइनस 10. सो it will give minus 3 by 4 is greater than minus 5 by 6. This is the resulting comparison. So I have solved some of the questions from exercise 4a. Quickly go through these questions. What I have solved, which of the following are rational number? Here first question is 5 upon minus 8. Check whether it is in p by q form. Yes, it is in p by q form. Both numerator and denominator are integer. Yes, it is integer, and the denominator should not be equal to 0. Hence, it is a rational number. Next, question number 2, 3 and 4. You do it by yourself because those questions are quite simple. Question number 5 I have solved. Which of the following are positive rational number? You have to find whether the given rational number is positive or negative. I have solved fifth part. It is 0 upon 3. 0 upon 3 is nothing but 0. And 0 is considered as positive rational number. Okay. Both numerator as well as denominator should be positive in case of positive rational number. So check here in both case, both numerator as well as denominator are positive. Hence it is positive rational number. Next one is Write 4 rational number equivalent to each of the following. I already explained you about the equivalent rational number. So 6 by 11 is the given rational number. In order to write its 4 equivalent, first one is multiplied both numerator and denominator by 2. Second one is multiplying by 3, both numerator as well as. Next one is multiplying by 4. Next one is multiplying by 5. So we get these 4 as equivalent rational number. Next one is write the following rational number with positive denominator. Here the given number is 12 upon minus 17. In order to make denominator positive, we will multiply both numerator as well as denominator by minus 1. So we will get minus 12 upon 17 as required answer. Express 4 by 7 as rational number with denominator 21. आपको 4 by 7 एक rational number दे रखा है. इसको क्या करना है, इसका डिनोमिनेटर 21 बनाना है. 21 बनाने के लिए ऊपर और नीचे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो इट विल गिव 4 इंटू 3 एज 12 एंड 7 इंटू 3 एज 21. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. आपको एक रैशनल नंबर दे रखा है -36 अपॉन 24 इज द रैशनल नंबर विद न्यूमरेटर. आपको न्यूमरेटर इसका बनाना है -9. तो इसमें क्या करना है, -36 अपॉन 24 है, इसको हमने न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को किससे डिवाइड किया, 4 से. दैट विल गिव -9 अपॉन 6. सिमिलरली राइट द फॉलोइंग इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. तो इसको हमने कैंसिल आउट किया है किससे, 7 से. 7 5 जा 35, 7 7 जा 49. 5 by 7 इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस गिवन रैशनल नंबर. Question number 20. Find x such that -1 upon 5 is equal to 8 by x. So by cross multiplication, x is multiplied by -1 and 5 is multiplied by 8. We will get x equal to -40 as the result. Next one is which one of the following rational number are equal. So -3 by 9 and 7 by -21. First converting this into standard form. By cancelling out, we will get -1 upon 3. And in the another rational number 7 upon -21, by cancelling out we will get -1 upon 3. So both the results are same. So both the rational numbers are equal. Next topic we will explain in next video. Thank you.